I think it was a sort of like a blank canvas. Like, we know that, yeah, we can always do something to improve it to the way we like it.
The brief was pretty simple in a way that, both Tonny and Cheng, they put it in a very brief way. This is what they wanted, which is somewhere calm for them to come home to. And I think, the one thing that they really keen to kind of change from the existing house was the old house was kind of designed around one person living in it. There's that sense of privacy and being able to kind of sleep while someone else do something else. I think that becomes quite a key part of the brief.
I remember we wanted everything white. I remember we just want light palette, basically, like, light floors, white wall, that's it.
Yeah.
Simple and clean. Keep it simple. We can furnish the place with colours.
The budget was really tight for this project. We have to look at ways to achieve the detailing that we want. All sort of comes down to how we were able to sort of restructure the layout, but also at the same time quite minimally altering the existing house. In the new layout, as you enter the front door, you were greeted by the kitchen and the dining that leads you onto the living room at the back and the courtyard. And then behind the space on either side of it, you've got the more sort of semi-private and then the private space. The bathrooms are designed to be together in a cluster with the kitchen. One is from a budgetary reason that allows us to be able to have the services within one area. And the second reason was that it's a great sort of a buffer zone. In terms of the materials, it is a response to the client's brief that we wanted to put together a neutral and also a light, bright material palette. We did not want a space that was just white and characterless. In terms of the colors, the house, I felt it needed something to kind of break the monotonous of same materials sort of repeating through the whole space. So I think the introduction of pastel colors to sort of give each bathroom a personality was needed. We opted to went for a pre-finished timber floorboards. The color itself and the species itself, we opted for this more limed kind of finished oak that sort of light continuous planes throughout. And then the staircases were constructed Vic ash, and we limed it to the closest match we can to the floorboards to not disturb that flow.
I think the biggest difference is the design-wise. Initially, it's very Japanese style. We have all the screen sort of wardrobe, like with a paper. And then after that, it's just built to minimalist, lots of storage space, everything is concealed and covered up.
Although the bone of the building is still the same, but before the renovation, it feels dark and it doesn't feel spacious. And after the renovation, the bone is still the same, but it's just a lot lighter. You come home just like, oh,
Calm.
you're just like excited. There's like, the feeling is like totally different. Yeah.